Yes, so my people, we don't come again today. The person where they hear Nnamdi Kanu, the voice of Biafra. This is voice of Biafra, the voice of the people. And today is a great week for Biafran people. Great week. Something big. You know, as they talk for church, something big is about to happen. This one, big things don't they happen left, right, and center. Our brother Nnamdi Kanu, we think say they hold them inside the tension, and some people even think say the wars don't happen, and they can't come out for Jerusalem. Can't give a speech where some people say a great speech, some people say a speech, call press conference again, begin talking again. So now waiting today we won't really talk about these two gladiators in this struggle. There are many other gladiators, many people. We have our brother Omoka where they there too, where himself they do things, they see things when they do. We have Barrister Emeka where they there, they see. We have the great elders, retired Chief Justice is also bold or different. Many of them that are doing great. We they thank all of honor. But today now these two people we won't concentrate on waiting they talk. Make we just talk to our people, so that them too go really look at waiting they talk from other perspective. No be safe for Biafra. Make we no go there. Just they follow people. Make we they follow ideas and policies. Even if the person where you believe in, say this person is your leader. If you they do something good, you support him. If you do the one where no good, you say no, I no go follow you for this way. Because to me, I know they like follow people. I they like follow ideas. I they like follow philosophies. Because if you just they follow somebody, the person goes see pit jump. You where they follow and no go see him enter inside the pit. So these people come out to come talk, and they get something great. Where two of them talk. And they imagine now they talk. Say one be say. He say nobody go stop the reemergence of Biafra. That one I hold on. Well. Chief Raf on the other hand talk say anybody where they talk about Biafra, saying be his brother. I say well that a wonderful thing be this. Now be so all of us they do something. No only Okike. Chineke know what in their mind. But for waiting they don't tell us na Biafra then they fight for. And we go talk to them too through this medium. Make them know say this Biafra. Say no be leadership the most important thing, no. Say na freedom of our people. Na be the most important thing where they. Because I dey hear na me be the leader here. This one say na me be the leader. This one say the new Biafra movement na me. Make una leave leadership. People don't do that. Make we concentrate, lead our people out of this bad situation where we dey now. Make you no come be say we go leave fire where the burn house they pursue rat up and down. That one no get meaning. So we the talk but it get many things we go concentrate on now this election issue. Because Chief Raf for his own side come the debunk within Nnamdi Kanu talk. Because Nnamdi Kanu say everybody make his group or his group make everybody say stay at home, say they no go follow for election. So Chief Rap they come and say na the mistake where they make when they start. And that mistake, they make that mistake for about 9 years. Say now when the Dimo Gojuko leader call am, they come meet other lawyers, they come analyze it, they tell and say the no census, the no election, say na disaster. The sit at home where they do, where according to him said even reach Ghana, reach Cotonou. Say that one too, no two get meaning. So him and other lawyers come put head together. They say no, this election no good. So but now waiting, Nnamdi Kanu they come back again. They tell us, see we boycott election. Say say somebody give referendum. Say until they give us referendum. And from this speech, where these people talk, they understand say for Nigerian constitution referendum no dey there. So if you dey say the only condition wey go make you participate for election or your group participate in election na when they give you date for referendum, na be say you no dey ready to move forward. E be like say somebody wey kidnap your pikin, dey tell you say make you go bring your grandmother mama wey don die before you go release am. Na be say you no wan release your pikin. So we go after wetin make sense, wetin dey practical. Say see where we don make mistake, make we change am, follow another route. Dey move. Na wetin the people wey get sense dey do. And the other good thing wey Nnamdi Kanu do for that speech be say he no to insult other ethnic groups like he dey do in those days. And there be me, I know here he insult to Yoruba, also all those things. And he concentrated. I think one good area be say he pick up the ethnic group where their elite really hijack Nigeria, where they mess them up. No be saying all of them. He pick up the Fulani elite, some of the Fulani elites. You know, talk a lot of things. That area they very good because here we don't talk and say no group. Then they call Hausa Fulani. Hausa Fulani no they exist. So if you they call this group, you they unite people where they irreconcilable. So waiting with they talk to these two people, make them kukuma look at the people first. Waiting you go do, we go save the people at home. Forget you where they comfortable. Because you wake up with comfortable, you get food, you go straight, you get everything where you need, almost everything, because nobody get everything, almost everything where you get. Make we remember those where they at home. Begin to think which policy go help them. That's boycotting the election. Now you go help them. Make you think like that before. If it help you as an individual, but it will help them where they're there. So we can't look at other things. One of the place where pay me too much now how the premium where we they put on people's lives for these two speeches of these two great people why they respect. Because when Chief Rap they talk, it be like see they downplay the Python dance where happen for Nnamdi. Can you say that one na small and compared to what thing happen? My Raf, no dirty they small low. Whether they kill 1,000 your followers, come kill 100 of Nnamdi Kanu followers. No one big past the other. Life na life. We no one lose anybody. This thing no be competition. Biafran struggle no be competition because on the other side, Nnamdi they talk of this happen, this like him when him don't achieve on his own, you know those kind of things. You too they achieve. No be waiting will they do for this struggle. People don't die. 3.something million don't work. Don't die. Starvation, bomb kill some, bullet kill many. Since water come na killing. Make we leave all this talk of waiting I don't achieve. Make we begin to look how we go put our people together. How we go galvanize our people. How we go use this 2019 do something radical. Vote out people when no they perform. Vote in pro-Biafran activists. But as we they talk, it's almost too late because they don't register everybody, they don't submit names. But we can still do something special. But boycotting the election, that one na small picking talk. That one no get any meaning. It no get any meaning. Because why are they talk and be say, we don't try for Anambra election. You know work. We don't try for 2015. You know work. This one, my people, some of my friends were there from Barcelona for Cameroon. I warned them. I say no copy waiting some Biafran they do say una go boycott election. Them do say they go boycott. Out of about 4,000 polling booths for Southern Cameroon. Some people over 1,000. In fact, I learned over 2,000 polling booths. People come and vote. Paul Biya was declared winner. So the issue waiting you gain. Because for election, for a Cameroon election, I've been the full arm. The opposition leaders, they beg them, say, look, we are ready to talk. To discuss about on self-determination. We are ready to negotiate. These people say they don't go. They don't go vote. They go sit at home. Because if for they pick one radical opposition leader, work with them. Maybe they feel vote at Paul Biya. I don't believe in boycott. Okay, look at what happened for Ethiopia. e get group wey dem call the Ogedens. Na separatist group. They bad about two there. The other one Oromos or waiting they call them. All of them they fight for independence. These people the election they go sit at home. Now last election where they voted this their new president, 42 years old man. Many of them say they get to change how they think. Make them vote a young radical person. Anybody will get sense, anybody will be radical, anybody will be intellectual, no go won't hold people against their will. So if you dey play politics at the national level, your eyes go be, we must vote in a radical person and at the federal level, or a group of radical people. People, intellectuals, no go won't hold people against their will. Now, what did this Ethiopian man don't do? He don't release all the so-called separatist leaders where they prison since. They have already signed a peace talk just few days ago. The Ogaden, the Aramos, they don't form a political movement. Say they go follow the political struggle to get their independence. What did they for don't do since? Now just I think last week they just start. You understand? So people don't try this non-boycott. It's the cheapest type of struggle. You understand? So make we begin to think of different ways, other ways where we go do this thing. So now this program no go dey too long because it no be program where we even supposed to, but we say we no go just start another program forgetting speech where these two great people make. They respect them. Because we get to give respect but to people. But where I make mistake, we will tell you. The bad aspect of our brother Kanu speech, now when he dey close up, we dey see go bring hell. I'm coming back with hell. I can't remember when I watched Terminator. You know? And that kind of talk could they like childish talk. No be talk where anybody, where the league group supposed to talk. You get talk where you go talk. You get level where you go reach in struggle. People don't they believe in you. Then you need speech writers. People will be specialists. Where go they edit your speech. If you write and finish the edit your speech, come out certain words. We know they befitting in terms of diplomacy. Because now words in diplomacy, now they open well, now they also close well. Because you get people who go listen. So let's be sympathetic with this group. When they come, they listen, they say, this man is they go bring hell. They say, oh, why? You just spoil things. Spoil the whole thing where you just start. You go bring hell. No. No bring hell. You go. People did that because only that speech feed lead to arrest, mass arrest of your followers. Only that speech, that statement, fit make police just the army looking for way they go shoot your members and begin justify them. Say, oh, this is their follower of that man. We say you go bring hell. In fact, this is one of the hell where they with us now. We no go allow make it begin bring them. You know that kind of thing. So with the beg on, so anytime we want to talk, make we mind how they talk. And therefore, and that thing where they be say, what they really attract me to this struggle, 2012, 2000, that early time. Now the way where we they organize. Now the way where we care for each other. Now the way where we they talk about, say, life they sacrosanct. We don't want a country where life go there like number. Life go there like number. Because whether you look at Nnamdi Kanu speech, you listen to them, or that of Chief Raf, I know here names of Biafran comrades, the comrades that were killed. I know here names. You get one thing where they special for Western world. If you like, kill 50 British military officers, their prime minister go stand up, call names of all of them. Put phone calls to their family members. He go call their names. Whether not for Germany, or not for France, or not for anywhere where something happen. Even if you go for New York, that place where they blow up the Twin Tower, the 3,000 and something people go see their names. But we know come from a country where name they be human beings they be mere numbers like they have waiting with the here for Nigeria. You go here say they killed the 30 people from Nimbo, and they killed the 88 people for Agatu. They killed the 70 something for Zamfara. They killed just the core number. No. We could begin. In fact, the first when we do Biafran Day 2014, 30th May 2014, do you know we put list of everybody? Many people were died. Even my sub numbers. Ask anybody where they that day for Trafalgar Square. They call their names. They call their names. As we they call their name, we they hit on the ground. So we want beg on the pro-Biafran leaders. Make on take a easy. This thing no be fight of individual, no be fight of ego. Forget on ego. As I dey here now, I feel sleep, I no go wake up. Okay, if you say that is your own, it's all over for you. Even you will be leader. If you sleep this night, no go wake up. So they think about the people more than you. Because we produce one of the greatest leaders in Igbo land. Go and read about Ezenri Opaleke. The one I call the last Ezenri. Because the ones where they today, where they say they be Jew, they be this, they don't understand who they be. Go and read about that man. Say when Oyibo come, try to capture recapture the man, they don't know if he say the man. Oyibo come threaten say them go commit genocide. Waiting is Obaleke do. It's Obaleke come out. They come tell and say you must go to Oka High Court for a court for Oka. Nobody they see Ezenri. Something, but he had to go out in the public. Instead, where one single Igbo will be killed by those criminal colonial masters, colonial government. Even when he go there finish, they threaten again, say they will kill Igbo. If he no cancel all the taboos, he say no, he no go cancel all the taboos. He go kill you. Now your people will go cool. Fear. The man say instead he go kill one single Igbo person. Let me also cancel the taboo. That was one of the greatest leaders we produced, and we have to emulate him. Now here where I will stop today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamarapu Biafra, Gawebozo Gabi, Agamarapu Biafra.